Getting the unable to add card error in Apple Wallet? Let me show you exactly how to fix it step by step and get Apple Pay working again. This is the most common reason this happens. Apple Pay only works in supported regions. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap General, then Language and Region. Tap Region. Make sure your country is set correctly. For example, United States, United Kingdom, Canada, or another Apple Pay supported country. Tap Change Region and wait a few seconds. Now, open the Wallet app. Tap the plus icon. In most cases, the option to add a card will now appear. If it's still not working, check these quickly. Make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS. Go to Settings, then tap Face ID and Passcode, and make sure Face ID or Passcode is enabled. Confirm your bank supports Apple Pay in your country. And that's it. This fixes the Apple Wallet card issue for most users. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more iPhone fixes.